Hi friends, thank you for stopping by to watch my channel REKHA'S RASOI. Here's where we chase flavors. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make Aloo Matar in my home. Funnily, I don't know about the hows or the whys, but by hook or by crook, potato or aloo invariably finds its way to my menu on a daily basis in one form or the other. But I am not complaining because potatoes offer me a wide range of options to explore. So today let's begin with a relatively easier one. So come join me in my kitchen. We'll keep the pan on the gas. Pour some oil. Now let the oil become hot and then we'll add in the dry masala or dry spices. Put the bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Now we put the onion. It is thinly sliced onion. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced onion. It has to be slightly golden brown. We add in the ginger garlic paste. It has to be light brown in color. It's a very easy dish to make. Now the onion is fried. Now we'll add the potatoes. Give it a mix and we'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add in the masalas. Turmeric powder, chilli powder I'm putting 1.5 teaspoon. You can add according to your preference. Kashmiri chilli powder I'm putting 1/2 teaspoon just for the color. Coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. And salt according to taste. Give it a mix. Please make sure your flame is in medium heat. Now we'll close the jar. We'll close the pan and allow the potatoes to cook for 2 minutes. Now we'll add in a tomato puree. we'll close the pan and let the tomato cook for 2 minutes. We'll add in half cup of water. And again we'll cover the pan with the lid and let the potatoes and the tomatoes get cooked. Now we'll add a green peas. I have taken frozen peas. If you want, you can take fresh peas also. We'll add in a little bit more water. We'll allow it to be cooked. We'll keep it closed for 8 minutes. In between you can keep on stirring it so that it may not get burned. Now we'll close the lid. We'll close the pan and let it cook. It's been 8 minutes. Now we'll see whether our potatoes and peas are cooked properly. It's already cooked. Now we'll add in garam masala, half teaspoon, put in kasuri methi. This is optional. Coriander leaves. Give it a stir. Cook it for half minute so that all these coriander leaves and kasuri methi and garam masalas all get equally mixed.
I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box so that you can check it out from there.
You cover the pan. Aloo matar is ready to be served and we'll transfer it to a dish.
ये लीजिए आपका आलू मटर तैयार। इतना आसान तरीका था ना ये। So please do try this at home और as usual मेरी चैनल रेखास रसोई को सब्सक्राइब, शेयर और लाइक करिएगा। Until we meet again, bye bye.